Hello viewers, your mobile hang very often or there is no space problem in your mobile memory. So this video is right for you. Watch carefully. Some are easy necessary steps and few to be taken with caution. On screen please. Now first let's go and open setting. This is the first step and the most easy. Now scroll it down and go till where you find app. Now click app and then further scroll down and you can see a lot of apps. You can close any XYZ app. So let me click this CS scanner and let me go to press storage. Now it has occupied a lot of space. So simply go clear cache and note the above reduce size of the data, and you can also click clear data. So through this way you can delete files, but the second option may be taken up with care to avoid necessary file deletion. Now click back. Now let's go and let's click Chrome. The same way, if I go and click storage, so clear cache and clear data is available. However, there is a little difference. So after clear cache, there is no problem, but in clearing data, you may do a little care. So click free up space and then pull back. So now let's go to step 2 and now click on your Play Store and simply click on your picture or logo and then click manage app and device. Now click manage, and this is the best way to reduce the burden of files. Now click this device and another option will appear below, not installed. Click it and remove all these files or remove all those files which has been deleted. This has occupied unnecessary space of your mobile, which also cause hang or there is no space available. So through that way, your mobile also gets sluggish performance. Tick mark and click delete. Now click remove and it's done. Your mobile will create a lot of space. Now you can see that 12 item has been removed. Thanks for watching. Please share and subscribe.